Hello guys again, it's me, Cookie Yummy. Okay, today I'm going to teach you how to make a paper that you just smash it. It makes a like pia sound. Okay, so first fold like this, fold like this, and then like that. Okay, now put this on each corner, fold it in, and then what you want to do is push this in, push it. Now the other side, push it. Make sure it's even. Look like this. It's not even, so to try fix it, make it even. Make it even, and then see, you made it even. Oh, I forgot. You make it even and push it in. It can be like this, that's how it works. Uneven, only this side uneven. And then fold this at the side. See, this is good. And then see, hold the tip of it. Then make sure these holes get big. Big holes. See, big holes at the first time, and then do this. I'll show you. Do this. See, you can hear that. It's really loud. I scared people with it. So hope you like and subscribe.